Hello guys, get ready with me. I'm going to do my makeup for today for work. And since we have lots of breakout today, so we're going to do our skincare. I'm going to use this Anua 15 Plus Azelaic Acid. Yan, spread mo lang yan. Just spread it onto your face. It helps you clear those dark spots. Yan. And then next, we're going to moisturize using this Curel intensive moisture care deep moisture spray, and this is a product from Japan. And then spread it out again we will double moisturize because my skin is too dry. We will going to use another moisturizer, this time from the Roche-Posay Tellurian Dermalego Cream. And this is very hydrating and it suits my skin para bumalik yung glow ng konti because we're suffering from breakouts ngayon, as you can see. But we're going to clear this out using my makeup. Okay, now that we are prepped already, we're going to prime before we put on our foundation. I'm going to use the Chanel La Base Illuminatrice. Ayan. This is a glowing makeup primer, moisturizing, plumping. At the same time, it has SPF 50. So I'm using this also as my sunblock. Ayan. Then spread it out again evenly onto your face. Importante yung ating sunblock, guys. Next, we're going to use this face tint from Chanel as well. This is the La Beige Eau de Tint Water Fresh Tint. Yan. Before we put on our major foundation. Yan, dyan. Again, spread it out. I'm using my fingers because the Chanel staff told me that it is better to use my fingers to spread this makeup, this foundation. Next, we're going to pre-conceal. So, mag-under makeup tayo dahil na marami tayong dark spots ngayon. I'm going to use this Chanel concealer, the shade of B40, to hide my spots, my breakout, and of course, the dark circles under my eye. And then we're going to blend it out using this brush that I bought from TikTok shop from Manage brushes. Yeah, this is a very good brush, guys, and very cheap. Napakamura nito in all fairness. And blend it out. As you can see, medyo natatakpan na yung ating mga dark spots. Natatakpan yung mga breakouts natin. Iyan! Mukha na siyang bangkay. Charot. Hindi natin siya i-blend totally because we're going to use this foundation on top of that concealer. This is again another product from Chanel. This is Ultra Le Tint All Day Comfort Flawless Finish Foundation. I love this foundation so much with my skin. Lalo na kapag nagkakaedad na tayo. This is very hydrating. And mas maganda yung lapat niya sa face ko. I've been using lots of different foundations, and this time, this is, I think, the perfect foundation for me and for my skin condition as of the moment. Yeah. Then blend it out using that sponge from Japan, from Studio 17. And now this time, we're going to contour using the SheGlam Contour. Ayan. This is Soft Tan Sunsculpt Liquid Contour. Ayan. So this is a combination of luxury and drugstore brands. So halo to. So well, as you can see, ang ganda din itong contour na to ng from SheGlam. I love this because it easily blends out. And konting puff lang, mabiblend mo na siya agad, in all fairness. And now this time, we're going to set this using this Bobbi Brown setting powder. It's Luxe Radiance. Yeah, Luxe Radiance setting powder from Bobbi Brown. It has a little bit of pink undertone. So I love this using only on my T-zone, especially under my eyes. And now again, we're going to set another, yun naman sa all around our face, using this Chanel Poudre Universal Libre. Yeah. Natural Finish Loose Powder. This powder has no talc, so maganda siya. In all fairness, this is on the shade of 30. N30. Yeah, just spread it out. And now we're going to melt this using this Mask Fit Makeup Fixer from Tier. Yan, brush mo lang din, tutuyuin natin yan. I'm using this blow. Ginagamit ko ng tomb blower para mabilis matuyo yung ating Tier. Okay, now this time, I'm going to use this a brand from the Philippines. It's called Sunny's Face, another powder. This is the finishing powder that I'm using. This is Skin So Good on the color Cassava from Sunny's Face. I love this brand. Baka naman dyan. You know, as you can see, paubos na siya. This is how much I love this product. Spread it out. And then this time we're going to contour our face using this Chanel palette, contour palette. This is called La Beige Healthy Glow Sun-Kissed Powder. Light coral ang kanyang color. Yan, tatlo na yan. It has the highlight, the contour, and the blush. So again, we're going to use this Manage brush from TikTok shop. Ganyan na po tayo mag-contour under the cheekbone and then on your jawline. To bring back the color to my face. And now this time we're going to do the blush. Yeah. Going to do the blush. Okay. Just put it there. Ayan, nagkaroon na ulit ng color ang ating buhay. Now we're going to highlight. I'm just highlighting the top of my cheekbone and on the what do you call this, under my eyebrow. Ayan. Again, contour the nose using the same contour palette from Chanel. Ayan. As you can see, nagkakaroon na ng dimension. Now we're going to do the eyebrows. I'm going to use this brand. This is an eyebrow brand from Japan as well. This is the Sana Newborn. Yan, Sana Newborn Eyebrow Pencil. Yan, ganyan lang ako magkilay, guys. Yeah. You can see. Pa. Yeah, medyo textured yung skin natin, guys. So this is actually my problem while I'm doing my makeup because my skin has lots of textures. So I ordered this product online. This is that is called Yummy Skin from Vanessa Myrix. Well, I'm going to try that. If I liked it, maybe I will put it on my routine. Now this time we're going to do the eyes. I'm going to use this palette. This one is another cheap. Napakamuna nito, guys. I also bought this again from TikTok shop. This is the 1Y100 professional makeup kit. It has it's like a notebook. It has everything: the eyeshadow, the blusher, highlighter, contour, powder, eyebrow powder, everything. And then it's very, very affordable. Okay. Saka na natin ituturo paano ako mag-eyeshadow. But in the meantime, just look at it. I'm using actually 3 different colors on my eyes. Saka na natin ituturo kung paano yan. But for the meantime, just look at this, how I do my eyeshadow. It's just very, very simple eye lang. Kasi hindi naman natin kailangan ng bonggang-bongga. We're going to work, guys. Basta papasok tayo ng trabaho today. So this is just a preparation for my work. Again, just blend it. Guys, blending is the key when you're doing your eyes. Just blend it out. Yan. Tapos lagyan mo na ng highlight on the center. Yan. para lumiwanag ang buhay. And then again, blend it out. Don't forget, under your eyes. And then again, blend it out using another brush. All the brush that I'm using is again from Minaj that I bought from TikTok shop. It's very, very affordable and it does the job well. Now this time we're going to do the mascara, the eyelashes using the Sephora. This is actually, I bought this how many years back? This is the Sephora Love the Lift. I don't know if they still has this on their shop, but I think it's discontinued already. So because I've been using this for like how many years now and it still has some products on it. Now again, melt it using that tear. Now this time the setting spray that I'm using is the Rimmel London Multitasker. This is also primer, mist, and setting spray. Ayan, napakaganda. All day shine free, finish sans brilliance, basta ganon. Fresh look, tint, maganon. Kasi parang French yung ani. Pero maganda tong brand na to from Rimmel London. And this is the final look, guys. Ayan, as you can see, takip na po ang ating texture and ang ating mga dark spots. I'm going to work now. Bye-bye!